Hello bachchon, good morning. How are you all? So Shaila ma'am has come with another lesson in Hindi. So most of you all have sent the Hindi papers and I'm really happy that you all did really well. So if you all keep practicing, you all will do even more better. Very few of you all, otherwise everybody is done very well. But all those who have not done have disappointed me. So next classes onwards, be serious, take it up serious, because you cannot pass by failing in Hindi. You can't go to the next class. You have to pass. So take Hindi, though it's your third language, take it serious, learn, and do your tests. Take the test seriously and send it to me. Then the next test, I don't want anybody being absent. Okay. So today I am taking you all to a next chapter. We have learned swear. There were 13 akshars, 13 letters in swear. So now we'll go to the next thing, Vyanjan. Vyanjans are the consonants. Like in English, we have vowels and consonants. Swear was the vowels, and Vyanjans are the consonants. Now we have 39 letters in Vyanjan. Like you have 13 letters in swear and 39 in Vyanjans. So in Vyanjan, I will go step by step. And today we are learning ka varg. Ka varg. Now what comes in ka varg? So we have five set of letters in the beginning of Vyanjan. So the first 5 set of letters is your ka varg. Now क्या आता है ka varg में? What comes in your ka varg? So what comes in ka varg? The first letter in your Vyanjan is ka. Ka से बनता है kamal. Ka से kamal. Kamal is your lotus in English. So ka से kamal. Kamal is the lotus. Ka. After ka is your kha. Kha से बनता है खरगोश. So this is just from your mouth when you say ka, and ka comes from inside. Kha से बनता है खरगोश. खरगोश is your rabbit. Kha से बनता है खरगोश. खरगोश is rabbit. Ga से बनता है गमला. Gamala. Gamala is the flower pot. You have plants at home. So you'll see so many gamalas at home, right? If you have a garden, so all these plants are put it in a pot. That pot is called gamala, the flower pot. So ka se kamal, kha se khargosh, ga se gamla, gha se ghar, gha se ghar, ghar yani house, gha se ghar. Nya. So you don't have any word with the letter nya. So it just used as a bindu in any other words. So this is nya. Kha, ga, gha, nya. That will be your ka varg. So because it starts with ka, it's called ka varg. Ka, kha, ga, gha, nya. Ka से बनता है kamal. Ka से kamal. You also have ka से kabutar. Ka से kamal. Ka से kabutar. Kha से khargosh. That's what I have drawn. Kha से khargosh, rabbit. Kha से khargosh, rabbit. Ka से kamal, pigeon. Kha से khargosh, rabbit. Ga से gamla, flower pot. Gha से ghar. Gha से you also have ghadi. That's clock. Gha से ghar, gha से ghadi, and nya. So ka से कबूतर, ka से कमल, kha से खरगोश, ga से gamla, ga से you also have gadha. Gadha is donkey. Ga से gadha, gha से khar, nya. Okay, so this will be your ka varg. Now we know to say orally ka varg. Ka, kha, ga, gha, nya. Next I'll teach you all how to write. This is your ka varg. So this is ka varg. Now I'll teach you all how to write ka, kha, ga, gha, nya in your double line notebook. Okay, so this is how your book has the lines in it, right? Two lines, and then you have a gap, and then 2 lines. So I want you all to write in these, between these 2 lines. Ka, standing line, go up and write ka. This is ka. The second standard children must have learned last year, but the first standard students, you all will be learning now. So look at it carefully and learn. Do not make any mistakes. Okay. So standing line, you go up, and this is your ka. Ka say Kamala. So this is your ka. Now ka will be like this way. Go up, come down, and make a circle here. It's a little bit complicated, but I'm sure you all will get it. It's like this. I'll write it for you all. Or you all can even write it like this to make it easy. This is also fine, but it's basically written like this. Kha. Kha say khargosh. Kha, you know how to write like that. Kha, right? Go straight down and go up. And this is your ka with a sleeping line. No letter in Hindi is completed without the sleeping line, and the sleeping line will come at the end, not as the first line. Then comes your ka. It's like this, standing line. This is your ka. What's next is ga. Ga say gamla. It's a small one with a tail like thing, and then standing line. This is your ga. Ga say gadha, ga say gamala. This is your ga. This knot should not touch the blue line here, bottom line. It should just be between the lines, so that knot should not touch the bottom line. So this is ga. Ga will always have a next this line. Okay, so it's not any matra, it's ga. So it will be like this, and a long standing line next to it. That's your ga. Next comes kha. Kha will start from the top line, like your 3, ulta 3, like the 3 in the reverse way, and a sleeping line on the top, right from the beginning till the end, covering the whole letter. That's your gha. And this is nya. Nya is 1 dot here. Okay, do not forget this dot or else it will be wrong. Okay, ka, kha, ga, gha, na. So this is how you learn to write the ka varg in your Vyanjan, and I want you all to write this 5 times in your notebook. Okay, so you will write ka, kha, ga, gha, na, ka, kha, ga, gha, na, ka, kha, ga, gha, na, like that 5 times. Okay, and also learn the pictures to according to that, like ka se kamal, kha se khargosh, ga se gamala, gha se gar. Learn to draw these on the other side of the book, and first write ka to 5 times in your notebook. I hope you understood, children. Any doubt, call me. I will explain you all. Okay, take care. Bye bye.